Okay, so we're going to create our relationships for our table now. This is usually a pretty fast process. Shouldn't take any more than a few moments, but I'll walk you through it real quick. First of all, we need to locate all of our foreign keys. You can see we have foreign keys for customer ID, installer ID, we have one for vendor ID, and also our composite key is technically 2 foreign keys, and you'll see how that works in just a second. So let's first link our first keys together. You always want to drag from the primary key to the foreign key. So we're going to click, drag it over. You'll see it matches up our types. We always want to enforce referential integrity, and then we're going to do create. Now sometimes you may want to do the cascades. For right now we'll leave that untouched. You don't need it at this point, but if you're doing a more complex database, especially if you're doing it for a job, you probably will want to select these options. So we'll go ahead and create, and you'll see our one-to-many symbol will pop up. We're going to do the same thing for installer. I'm going to drag it over, enforce, and create. Same thing for job ID to needed material. Like I said, they technically function as 2 foreign keys, but it is a composite primary key. And Access is usually pretty good at knowing which you're trying to match up. It's also good to have to get into the convention of naming foreign keys the same as their primary key just for this reason. And now we have all of our relationships set up. Pretty simple process. This is probably the major construction, I should say best foundation point you can have. When you have all your primary keys set up, relationships set up, you're almost ready to begin adding your actual data in. There is just one final step, and then we can actually get to where you would start adding data. So we'll have one more video, and that'll be the conclusion.